我叫瑞雪.
Yeah.
Today we're going to do some animal sounds for
Do
you.
something special?
Yes, very special.
Very special.
This was a surprise when I came to China. It was a surprise when I came to China. I think I had been here for maybe 1 month. And we had a visitor who was a Chinese person, and he said, "Oh, that duck, it makes this noise." And I said, "What? No, ducks don't make that noise." And he said, "Yes, they do."
They do,
And I
yes,
said,
they do.
"Oh, really?"
So what the duck sound? Ga, 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 and like ga, ga, ga.
Quack, quack, quack.
Say, whoa, 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 whoa. Meh, meh.
Ba.
It's totally
Ba.
different. Ba.
Well,
Meh.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ba.
Ga-ga-ga-da, ga-ga-ga-da, ga-ga-ga-da. And they are
Quack, 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 quack.
grr, grr, grr. Grr, grr, grr.
Cockle-doodle-doo.
I'm seeing. I'm seeing. And the American
Rooster says.
the rooster in America, they
Or
were
like,
singing.
or like.
Oh, they were singing there.
Yeah.
Grr, grr, grr. Oh.
Yeah. Or maybe if we like spell it, we would spell it like cockle-doodle-doo. But it's like maybe the sound.
Cockle, 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 cockle.
Yeah. Right. Maybe the sound is like.
Grr, grr, grr. Yeah.
Yeah.
Quack, 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 quack.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
Oh,
Do another one. See if Krista can guess. This is so funny.
Oh my god. Ga-ga-ga-da, ga-ga-ga-da.
Some kind of bird?
Bird, which bird? Ga-da.
A chicken?
Yes.
Ah.
Good job.
Oh gosh.
Quack, quack, quack.
Small
Oh
animals.
wait, is it? I know this one.
Green.
Oh, I know. Okay, it's a frog.